All right, Miss Davis. The furnace is running now, which is better than before. It's still not getting hot in the house, and I'm not positive as to why. And also, I noticed before, it still froze that error code. So in the end of the day, you know, definitely get it looked at before you rent the place again. By a hot air person. Again, we don't do hot air. I mean, I did some simple stuff like I cleaned it out, and I did change the switch that was causing the error, but I still see the error now and then. But the difference is now the furnace runs. Before it was shutting down. So this was the switch. This is called a limit. So it looks a little cooked on that end, but that could be just from the heat. But I'm going to leave it here. Maybe it's doing a better job than the new switch. I put a new one in there, and maybe it's just doing a better job. I didn't see any restrictions where I looked, and that's a good thing. And this water down here, still haven't figured out where that's coming from. The only place it can come from is these pipes here. So I'll have that looked at too. You see now she's starting to flash red now. You can't see it. There, you see it? That's the red flash, and what it's saying is it's too hot inside the box. And again, it's not an old furnace. I don't see the year that's on here. Sometimes you can tell by the tags, but I don't see it. I think it was put in here just before you got the place. The gentleman you said that redid all the work. So that's the most that we can do. It's flashing red. You can see it. The light. Yeah. Then it goes green. See that? So the temperature goes up, it's flashing as green. I'm pretty sure that it's not supposed to do that. Now I'm trying to look through some paperwork on the unit. And now it's yellow. And yellow is normal operation as well. So we'll put the cover back on, and hopefully you can get your place back in order. All right, see you on the next one.